Hi everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. If you're just tuning in, I'm Ayushi Gupta. In this video, I'm going to show you a normal basic hair wash routine like we do on a regular basis, just like this. With curly hair, we have to use a lots of products, but I don't do on a regular basis. If I want to do a intense hair care routine, then I do, but not a regular basis. So how do I wash my hair on a regular basis? First, I comb my hair just like this to tangle my hair, and after that I believe in preconditioning. For this, I'm taking a parachute coconut oil. You can use any oil, any type of coconut oil, or any type of oil whatever you want. I'm taking this because I am using this since my childhood. So I continue this and I will continue this. I like my hair type of that. I love preconditioning. Actually, it makes my hair smooth, and massaging it for 15 to 20 minutes on my scalp and on my hair. It makes my hair healthy because it improves my blood circulation, and if blood circulation improves, the overall health of hair improves. And after that, I comb my hair once again, and because it oil spreads evenly onto all over my hair, and tuck into a bun just like that, and wait for 40 to at least 40 minutes, and you can leave it overnight also. But if you have oily scalp, please don't leave it overnight. Just if you have dry hairs, then leave it overnight, or 40 minutes just enough for you. And the next step is washing your hair and conditioning your hair. For this, I am using this shampoo and this conditioner. I'm so sorry. I didn't shoot how did I shampoo and how did I conditioner, because I don't want to make a long video. So I will surely cover this on my another video. And let's comb our hair. So I'm combing my hair too much because we didn't comb our hair on a dry. We can comb until it's wet. After that, it's no chance for curly hair to do a comb on dry hair. So let's comb our hair, and after that it's a most and essential part for curly hairs to do a scrunch. And I love this part. It's a fun for me. It's really a fun for me. If you want to perfect curls, just scrunch your hair, scrunch. So now my hair is 50% dry, and I'm applying this Wonder Soft hair serum. It has argan oil, so I love this serum. And just take a 2 drops of it and applying on my hair, on just like I'm combing my hair with my fingers, just like it. Now it's time for another scrunchy. Let's do it. And my fan is on was on that time at that time, that's why it's just got my hair is so blown up. So now it's dry, and look at my hair. I feel so fresh and just feel so light with my hair. As you can see, for first day I washed my hair, it looks like this, and after that another day it looks more curls and more awesome. So that's it for today's video. I love my hair, as you all know that I love my hair. So after that, that's it for today's video. I hope you like my video. It's my normal routine of hair wash, and I do sometimes intense hair routine. I do sometimes hair spa. I do sometimes hair mask and all. So it looks more effective, but it's now a regular one, just a normal one. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this, and if you like, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. So take care, bye bye, see you another another video. Until then, stay happy, stay glam, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.